Hi, my dear students. We'll start a new session in mechanics. Okay. So first I'll go through the question, and it's an important question for JEE as well as AP. So we'll go to the question. Okay. From point A, located on a highway, you can see the figure also. Okay. From point A, located on a highway, one has to get by a car as soon as possible to a point B located in the field at a distance L from the point D. If the car moves n times slower in the field, at what distance h from D, one must turn off the highway. Clear? So you have a highway. Clear? So highway I have marked 3 points A, C and D. From C to D, the distance is given by h. So actually we have to find out what's the distance h. And from D to B, actually the field is at the point B. Okay, the car have to move from the highway, okay, to the field at a distance B. So D to B, the distance is marked as L. Clear? Now the figure is clear. Okay, so now I have to come from A to C, then from C to B. Okay, A to C and then from C to B. Okay, from the figure you can see that x is the distance from C to D and L is the distance from D to B. So how can I calculate CB? Yeah, we can use the Pythagoras theorem. Yes, so that will be square root of, okay, h square plus L square. Is it clear? So now I know the distance CB. Similarly, what's the total distance? Okay, let I represent, let AD, A to D, A to D can be taken as some distance. So let the distance be y. Okay, from A to D my distance is y. So that represents what will be the distance AC. From A to D my distance is y. From C to D my distance is h. That means AC, the distance will be, yeah, anyone, y minus h. It's clear. So A to C is on the highway. Now the distance is y minus x. From C to D, that means the shortest way you are reaching the field. Clear? So actually I can go from A to C, then C to D, D to B, but I require a shortest time to reach the point B. Definitely I must have my shortcut. That means from A to C the distance is y minus x, and from C to B the distance is root of h square plus L square. Is it clear? Okay, now we can calculate the time. Okay, so what's the time taken from A to C? What's the time taken from A to C? We know that the velocity, what's the formula? Distance by time. Clear? So what is time? Time is nothing but distance by velocity. Okay, so can I calculate the total time? So total time is equal to time taken from A to C, time taken from A to C plus time taken from C to B, time taken from C to B. So what's the time taken from A to C? Distance of AC by velocity. Here on the highway, they also mentioned in the question, you can see the question, on the highway your velocity is V, there is no change. But when you are on the field, your velocity is reducing by n times. That means from C to B my velocity will be V by n. Is it clear? Because on the field what happens, normally velocity will get reduced, yes, when compared to the highway. It's clear? So TAC will be distance by velocity. So what's the distance of AC? That is y minus h. Okay, and the car is moving with the velocity v. It's clear? Plus TCB means the distance along CB, that is we find out by Pythagoras theorem, that is h square plus L square by what's the velocity? V by n. Clear? V by n. So I can put n on the numerator. It's clear? This is my total time. It's okay. So now I have to find out my time should be minimum. Yes, to reach from C to B. So I'll go with the maximum minimum condition. So I can differentiate. Okay, I'll write like this: dt by dx. Okay, I can differentiate dt by dx is equal to 0. Then I can get the value for x. Is it okay? So dt by dx means that is equal to, I have to differentiate with respect to x. So y is a variable, sorry, y is a constant, your x is varying. So y is constant means when you differentiate y, your answer is 0, minus differentiation of x is 1, okay, by velocity, it's clear, plus n into, now we have square root, okay, I'll write the formula, d by dx of differentiation of square root of x. So what's the formula for differentiation of square root of x? That is nothing but 1 by 2 into root x. Okay, remember this differentiation. So what is d by dx of root x? 1 by 2 times of root x. It's okay. So that will be n into, here I have root of x square plus l square. So I can write n by v multiply by, what is root of x square plus l square? Yes, 1 by 2 times of, yeah, square root of x square plus l square. It's okay, into, now the differentiation of x square. What's the differentiation of x square? That is nothing but 2x. It's okay, because my differentiation is for root x, it's 1 by 2 root x, but here instead of root x you have x square plus l square. That is why I go for the differentiation of x square, that is nothing but 2x. It's clear? So my 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. Okay, so my equation will be reduced to minus 1 by v, okay, minus 1 by v plus nh by v into square root of x square plus l square. It's okay. Okay, now for maximum or minimum, what is our condition? Dt by dx, yeah, should be equal to 0. It's clear. So that implies I can take minus 1 by v to the left hand side, so it will become 1 by v should be equal to, yeah, n x by, yeah, v into square root of x square plus l square. Is it okay? So v and v will cancel out. Okay, now it's a cross multiplication, therefore square root of x square plus l square should be equal to nh. Okay, now squaring on both sides, so what happens? Therefore what will get the answer? X square plus l square should be equal to n square into x square. Okay, so now you can take the x times x square times to one side, so I'm bringing to the left hand side, so it will become x square minus n square x square should be equal to l square. Clear? Therefore from this you can conclude that x square is common. Yes, x square is common. So if x square is common, then what is your answer? X is equal to, yeah, L divided by square root of n square minus 1. So this is the answer for the value of x. It's clear? Okay. Okay, see you. Thank you.